products helped me make my first 500,000 naira online, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. Hello, my name is Victor Injimuku, aka Naija Sales Boss. Welcome to my YouTube video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I made 500,000 naira selling this product. This is a wristwatch, a iced out wristwatch. I'm going to show you the step-by-step process which I took to actually make 500,000 naira selling this wristwatch in the early days. Now, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? This is a valuable YouTube channel that will show you how to start and grow your e-commerce business. So if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, click on the subscribe button and also turn on the notifications bell so that whenever I make a new video, you'll be the first person to be alerted. And also like this video so that YouTube will show this channel more love. Thank you as you do so. Now, first, this product is a wristwatch. I'm sure maybe, I don't know if you can see it. Look at it here. You can see how beautiful it is. It's shiny. Now, this is one of the first products which I sold online in the early days. I think that was about 5 to 6 years ago. 5 years ago in the e-commerce. This was one of the first products I sold online. And it was introduced to me by a friend who was already selling it and making good money for it. He was like, "Oh, Victor, see this wristwatch where they sell. If you try them out, see the video why they use when they make me sell." And he told me the step-by-step strategy that he actually was using to sell this product. And I jumped on it because I was really looking for money at that point in time. I was looking for anything I could do to make money. And this was one of the first flagship products that I did it. I started selling this product with little or no capital. I did not have up to 100,000 naira in the bank. That is it. I did not have up to 100,000 naira in the bank. I think I had 50,000 naira because I can remember that I went to withdraw 50,000 naira from POS machine back then to be able to go and buy this product. But this is how I did it. The first step that I took was that, number one, I went to the market where this product was sold in wholesale price. I went to the market. Then I bought the mail. I bought the gold and the silver. You can see is in gold and silver. I don't know if you can see it clearly. It's in gold and it's in silver. I bought just one pieces of each of these products, the gold and the silver. Then what did I do? I brought it home and I went to take pictures and I made a video of it. I'm going to post the video. I think the video will be playing by the side here. If you are watching this video, I'll make the video be playing by the side. I'll show you the videos I made. I took it to the photographer shop and then I made videos of it. I made videos and I made pictures of it. I took a picture and I used that picture to just make like slideshow video of it. That was the second step I took. Number one, I bought the gold and the silver in cheap wholesale prices. It was about 2,500 naira back then. I bought it 1 and 2, just those two. So it was about, how much did I spend? About 5,000 naira to get it back then. I don't know how much it's been now in the market, but I spent about 5,000 naira to get it. Then let me say 1,000 or 2,000 naira for transport. So everything should be about 7,000 naira. Then what did I do? I went to the photographer shop. Number two, I went to the photographer shop. The photographer took professional shots of the wristwatch. I bought the pack too. So don't forget, I bought this pack. This pack does not come, so I bought the pack. So I then took it to the photographer shop. He made videos of it. He made an image of it, a photo of it, and then I used that photo to actually do slideshow videos using an app I called Quick, Q-U-I-K, Quick. Then after I made the videos and the image of it, I designed a website. I already had a website, so I designed a wristwatch sales page on my website. It's called the wristwatch templates. I have it in the Millionaire Maker Hospital Blueprint in case you have not gotten it. It's like a template that you use for anything. If you want to sell wristwatch, it's available there. I just use that template, design my sales page in a way that it will look as if it's a luxury brand, because wristwatch is all about luxury. It's not like a problem-solving product. It's about luxury. So I designed my sales page in a way that exudes luxury, and I even use celebrities too. That time I used Davido's picture. I used Davido's picture and Whiskey picture. You know, they usually wear all these their shine iced out watches. I used their picture as well. So it look as if a celebrity was wearing it. I was desperate. I wanted to make money, so I just used the ball. I'm not saying you should go and use it though. It's what I did back then. So, but might still work for you if you want to use it, sha. But that's what I did. So first, I bought the wristwatch at cheap prices. I went to the photographer shop, and then the photographer helped me take images of it, and I used that images to design slideshow videos using an app called Quick. Then thirdly, I designed a powerful sales page. I designed a sales page that exudes luxury. Then the next thing I did was that I added a free gift. I sold this one like for 15,000. Then both of them was 30,000. Then I added a free gift. You can add eyeglass as a free gift. You can add eyeglass as a free gift. You can add perfume as a free gift. Anything that you know that you can get for a very cheap price that can be added to it, I added to it, and I used it as a free gift to entice people to order. That is what I did. So if you're interested, you can actually start selling the products. All you need to do is go into the market and source it, and there's a list of markets that I've dropped in the Millionaire Maker House product blueprint that will show you where exactly you can get these products to start selling. Just go and do it. In the Millionaire Maker House product blueprints, I have a list of tested and trusted products that you can start selling. I'll link you up with the supplier, and I'll also link you up with the markets where you can get this product at very cheap prices. I'll also teach you how to create highly persuasive sales pages that you can use to market this product and get a lot of sales for your business. Then I will give you a list of tested and trusted delivery agents that will help you deliver all your products to wherever your customers order from online. It is a very, very insightful course. 2024 is here. This is a course that will teach you how to make good money online using the power of e-commerce. So this product was how I made my first 500,000 naira online. So if you want more details of everything we have just discussed in this video, get the Millionaire Maker House product blueprints in the video description below. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the like button so that this video can be spread more to more people. Thank you and God bless.